Well, it's raining outside, so I guess this was a good time to start rebuilding this elevator motor. You might have seen it in a previous video where I did a teardown. Well, now we're going to rebuild it. First thing to do is prepare the cast iron work to repaint it. Right, so I've cleaned up the copper and the brass on the brush holders. I didn't go mad on it, but gave it a quick once over with some sandpaper and a bit of brass. So always nice to have a bit of polished brass on a motor, isn't it? So you just need to put those back in the brush carrier. Get it the right way around. Like that, and that can go back onto the motor now. Right, so what I've also done is clean these brushes up. There was a lot of like greasy grime on them, so I've just scraped them back with a chisel to get the bare carbon on the surface again. Also polished up the commutator because that was a little bit mucky as well. So we can get that on now. The problem now is how to get that top back on that motor without damaging those windings. I've just weighed that top on those scales and it comes in at 90 kilograms. So that's not going to be easy to manhandle back onto there without damaging anything. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, nice. shiny. Well, there we go. It's all reassembled. Not an easy thing to work with. There's quite a few heavy components in it, and the colour's not really quite what I was expecting. So it looks a bit pinky, but that's what they mixed in the paint shop. Even though I asked for like a maroon red, but never mind. That's how it's going to stay now. We will do a video soon. We'll put some voltage and put some power through it. See if we can get this thing running on its own power. Yeah, see how that goes.